Okay, guys, just a wee quick update from last night's vlog. We went to see Stan and Ollie in the cinema, myself and Sheena. It was fantastic, so highly recommend it, guys. If you do see it, I think you'll enjoy it. So let's get cracking here. Let's get on till today's vlog. How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's ramble, I'm going to keep it very quick. Been a busy day, so I haven't had a chance to go out and take some photographs. I'm on my way over for a meeting here with, don't know if you're going to be picking this up or not. I'm cycling, so I've got a wee mic attached. Let me see. Yeah, so not the way the light's just gone green there. Happy days. So I'm going over to see David and out of Torino Cafe Gallery here in Belfast. He's kindly offered me a chance to do the another exhibition. I'm not going to get these lights, I don't think. It's always a way. Right, so let me see where these lights are going. Maybe they'll get around here. Let me see. Happy days. There you go. Wee shortcut. Oh. Yeah, so David's kindly offered me his cafe for another exhibition of more modern stuff. The exhibition the last time was on my black and white stuff, the old stuff. So this one's going to be a modern one. So I'm going to have a wee talk with him now. Tell you what, we got a wee bit of snow last night over here in Ireland, or the UK, depending on how you want to describe it. If we get like a millimetre of snow, people will have the snow chains and everything on, you know. I'm going to go up here. People have the snow chains on and they're buying extra bread and getting the supplies in, thinking that there's going to be a nuclear holocaust coming up. Lovely mural over there, you know. I'll take you over and let you have a wee look here. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know if that camera's picking it up or not. There you go. Isn't that lovely? As I say, I hope you're seeing it. I can't see what I'm filming there, but yeah. Over here. This is Gresham Street. Not much of it left. Well, the street's still there, like. You know. So I'm going to take a good wall. Belfast is really an amazing. There's a possible photograph up there, look. Do you see where you get the contrast there? With obviously the models at the top. Possible photograph for the future. We look and see. So, just around the corner here from David's. Watch these guys here, don't see me. They might carry on walking, let's see now. Oh, nearly got killed there. So this is David. You're in Belfast. Great wee independent coffee shop. Just at the corner of Royal Avenue. And see. I'll talk to you in a wee second. Okay, guys. Absolutely fantastic. So got the exhibition on. It's going to be on the second week in February. If I need anything else in town here, I don't. We'll go here. Let's see. Okay guys, so tell you what I'll do, just take you as a wee, maybe one of the days I'll take you around here, show you the murals. So guys, listen, thanks very much for all your support. As I say, tomorrow, it's Wednesday today, and heading back home. And basically, tomorrow I'm going to be chocker blocked with work from morning till about 8:30. So I'm not too sure how I'm going to make a video, edit it, and get it uploaded for tomorrow night. So bear with me. I believe it will happen. I don't have my meeting until about 10:30, so even if I was to shoot something beforehand and get it uploaded. So guys, listen, send you love from Belfast. As I say, thanks for all your love and all the support. Did you see where I'm going here? Thanks for all your love and support. And I'll catch you in the next video. Here you go.